The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Gallatin County, Illinois, southwestern Vanderburgh County in southwestern Indiana, southern Posey County in southwestern Indiana, western Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, central Union County in northwestern Kentucky, until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Uniontown, or 8 miles east of Shawneetown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Henderson, Morganfield, Breckenridge Center, Uniontown, Gordon, Waverly, and Old Shawneetown. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 142 and 148. Audubon Parkway near mile marker 1. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Posey and Vanderburgh, and the following counties in Kentucky, Henderson and Union, and Gallatin, Illinois.
For up-to-the-minute watches and warnings, keep your radio tuned to Evansville's primary emergency alert radio station, 104 FM WIKY.